Low coding with JavaScript allows you to handle edge cases in your front-end application, integrate third-party scripts, and to work with complicated scenarios in your front-end. To show that, first let me create a script. We'll call that script.js, and let's put a alert box in it. Now we need to run the script when the application runs. So to do that, we need to go to application configuration and select the script that is required to be integrated into the application, and we'll select document for to load the script from, and you can also choose a URL that is hosted in either a CDN or in a public server and load here, but here we'll just choose the script that we just created. And when you click on load in runtime, it will run the script on the runtime, and if you load the script in design time, it will run the script on the IDE. And also you can append the script tag either on the head or body, and let's save it and run it. Yeah, so the script is integrated and it runs when the application runs. Also you can integrate things like Google Analytics, and you can insert a JTAG over there. Let's remove this. And yeah, and also you can load the script from CDN like I mentioned before. Let's remove that as well. So that's one way of loading JavaScript into your application. Also, you can use JavaScript as part of your micro workflow. First, let me create a button to show that. And, call it execute.js, and let's add an event to that. Using this block execute JavaScript, you can add custom code here. Let's return the value hello world, and let's assign that this to a variable. And let's show the result from this block on a message box. Yeah, we'll choose show message pop-up, and let's select script result. And when we run the application and click on this, it gives the result from the JavaScript. And also you can create variables. Let's create a number and use it inside your script file. Let's go with here and here. I forgot to create a variable from that. Anyway, let's just add one here to the value. So let's name this as number value, and in the JavaScript we can get the number value and add one to that, and create another variable called script result and show the message pop-up using that. So let's run this and see. Yes, it adds one to the number variable, and that's one way we can use JavaScript in your micro workflow. And also you can create custom blocks using JavaScript. What I mean by custom block is that when a custom block is created, you can use it just like a normal block, and which will be available on the toolbar. You call it custom block, and let's return a value from this block. The set response methods return a value from this block. You can also run asynchronous code in here. So once asynchronous code completes, you can run set response method. So that way you can also use asynchronous coding in your custom block. Let's save this. And as I mentioned before, the custom block will be available under my JavaScript blocks. And yeah, custom block. And what we can do is that we can assign the result of this block to a variable. We call it result, and let's show the message from the script result. Yeah, see, it works. So it returns the value from this block, and the message is shown from that value. Similarly, you can also add properties for this custom block. We'll call this property input value, and we can say the data type for this input value. We'll choose text or variable. So, and when you go back and select this block, you can enter some value for as its property. So we'll call it input value, and yes, and you can access the value using few methods. So let's run this and see. See, the input value is sent to this block, and the block returned that value. So that's how low coding in JavaScript works. So you can refer to our documentation for more ways you can use JavaScript low coding.